So who said you couldn't flip a house in less than 2 weeks? Well, I did, and I'm about to show you how. Stay tuned. Hi, Garland Dabney here, real estate broker, investor, and trainer. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click that notifications bell so that you'll be informed of all of my upcoming videos. I have a lot of great content coming up, and you don't want to miss it. So today, guys, I'm going to be showcasing one of my most recent projects that I just completed in Columbia, Maryland. I actually got in and out of this project in less than 2 weeks. I know, it's unbelievable, right? So one of the things that we teach in our Investors Academy is how to not over-improve a property, but to do just enough to get the best return on your investment. We also show you how to examine the neighborhood where the property is located. Look at the comparables and see what others in the neighborhood have sold for and what type of finishes and what type of flooring and kitchens are in those properties, and so that you can follow suit with your own project. The worst thing you want to do is to do too much to a project and not get that money back when you're ready to sell. So let's take a look inside this property. As you can see, the property was not in bad condition at all. It actually had some recent renovations over the years to include the kitchen, which had stainless steel appliances and granite countertops already in place. Obviously needed some cleaning up here and there. It already had some hardwood floors that were in the kitchen going into the family room and living room area. It already had, a very good layout as well. So we didn't have to do a whole lot here. So in looking at what recently sold in the neighborhood, we realized that none of the properties that sold at the top of the market had high-end finishes like we would put in some of our DC properties, but had, modest renovations, cleaned up properties, maybe some fresh painting, clean carpeting, decent kitchens, but nothing out of the ordinary, nothing over the top. So this gave us the opportunity to go in and do some modest renovations that weren't going to break the bank and weren't going to take months on end to complete, like freshly painting the entire home, putting in new carpeting. We put in a few recessed lights in the kitchen and in the living room to brighten it up, changed out all the other light fixtures. We changed out some of the vanities in the bathrooms and updated the lighting and things like that. Just modest renovations that allowed us to get a very good return on our investment in a short period of time. So as you can see, guys, the property came out great. It's very bright, very open, very clean, and attractive for today's buyers. The great thing is that we were able to just enhance what was already there. It already had a great layout, already had some recent updates. We were able to go in a very cost-effective manner and build on what was already there and get in and out of this property in less than 2 weeks. After the renovation was completed, the property was immediately listed for sale, received multiple offers, and sold for $7,000 over asking price with no closing help, and no contingencies, bringing a great conclusion to yet another successful renovation project. So do me a favor and share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to this page, and click that notifications bell so that you'll be alerted of my upcoming videos. See you next time.